we hope that we catch Laylatul Qadr, remembering that the night starts at Maghrib. And some of the Salaf, they mentioned that this is such an important point for us as we go into these precious nights, because how many people at the time of their breaking of the fast will lose out their Laylatul Qadr before they pray a single rak'ah of Taraweeh, before they even make it to Salatul Isha. Why? Because over iftar, you might backbite, you might gossip, you might say something you should not be saying, you might do something that is not pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Ibn Qudama rahimahullah ta'ala said, and most of the people lose it in its early part of the night. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. It could be one comment that's made at the dinner table, one joke that is told that should not be told in those nights, and of course should not be told at any part of the night. No social media, no WhatsApp, no text messages, no nothing, except of course if you're texting someone from your family or something just to get something done. None of that during the last 10 nights. When the time of Maghrib comes in, put it aside. Cut it all off in the last 10 nights. Rasulullah ﷺ went in complete i'tikaf in the last 10 nights. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to isolate our hearts, seclude our hearts, our thoughts, our bodies, our tongues, everything from that which is displeasing to Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to engage in that which is pleasing to Allah. SubhanAllah, dear brothers and sisters, just like with Hajj, la rafatha wa la khusuqa wa la jidala fil Hajj, it's don't do anything to mess it up. Don't do anything to mess up Arafah. The same thing is true. Don't do anything to mess up your Laylatul Qadr.